Yeah, I mean, I don't really have an opinion on the PhDs per se, because there was a time where everybody thought, oh, well, I'm going to start a data science team. I better go out and hire a bunch of PhDs. That time has probably passed, right? You know, having a PhD is definitely not a requirement for getting into data science anymore, like it might have been in the past. But I think you can make the transition. I think one of your bigger challenges is going to be just kind of showing the flexibility of thought, right? Because PhDs tend to have a very heavy academic background and a very heavy math background. And that's not always where you're going to be in terms of modern data science or in the interviews or things like that, right? So I would say that's kind of your biggest challenge, to be able to show that flexibility of thought, to say, hey, I can tackle this. Okay. So, I think it's a positive job market for the PhDs, but you're going to be competing against people who don't necessarily have PhDs, because that's not really viewed as a requirement anymore. All right.